Today we're going to have a look at how to demolish one of these. Famously, these are supposed to be smashed once they're filled with money. But what if they have sentimental value? I've watched lots of YouTube videos on how this can be done. I'm not going by that, I'm going to go my own way. This will be a how to or how not to, depending how this turns out. So I want something to protect it. We have a bin and a cushion wrapped up in a plastic bag because it's a new cushion. And that will secure the money box while we tackle it. Water. This is clay, hasn't been fired, so we should be able to soften it with the water. This is going to be a waiting game. We can physically see the water sort of absorbing into the natural product. We just keep adding to it to soften it. I'm watching it. While that is soaking in, I'm just going to use a battery drill, and I'm going to use one of these 𝕠𝕡𝕟 things. I bought a full set of these for making the recesses in some doors that I was making, so we'll see how it goes. That one ready. Brought that just in case. But you can already see that it is absorbing quite well. Just keep adding the water as it dries. I'm watching it. Once it whistles, we need to add more water. We are getting somewhere, but there's still a bit to go. Success! We are in! Yay! Now we can make a small bung for the bottom and start again. All that's left is to count the money. We'll have the hole, but we also have the remnants in the tool. I will remove this and basically use epoxy to fill in the drill holes and that round bottom, and this will be usable again. Right, it's the next day and I've had a change of plan. I am not using the poly resin to seal the bottom of it because I think that's just going to cause more issues when someone will try and reopen it again once it's full. So we're going for wood resin. We have the bottom that we took off the money box, and drinking straw into, we'll have that there, and we can basically use the wood filler around that and give it a good seal. Plus it's a sandable seal so that we can get it nice and smooth, since it will be going back onto furniture again. Great believer in fingers were invented first. They're also more easily washed. Say we can put this on quite messily because we can tidy it up afterwards. Right, we'll get that to slightly stick together using trusty duct tape to hold it in place. Forget. Let that dry and then we can put another coat on it. Now we'll just let this dry and then we can give it a quick sand and it's ready to go. That's it, totally smooth and ready to collect the next cruise fund.